The new MAGIX Music Maker 7 is the ideal tool with which to create your own songs and video. We'll now show you how it works and how the many new functions help you achieve your ambition. The new Explorer gives you direct access to your own files, demo songs, titles and the software synthesizer. The Sounds and Videos tab gives you an easily understood overview of MAGIX Media Pool CD contents. Select your style. Find a good drum loop and drag it with your mouse to the arranger. Start the arranger playback with a spacebar. Now change to the bass instrument and find your bass loop. The loops are arranged by tone scale for ease of use. Finding suitable sounds is easy. There you are. While the drum loop is playing, you can test the basses. Choose the right one with the Enter key or by double-clicking. Now we come to the guitar and keyboard. Drag the play area in the arranger one beat further. The quickest way is using the plus key. Choose a new drum loop. The quickest way is using the 1 key in the drum folder. This method can be used to create an entire song without any breaks occurring. Click on the menu buttons in any object to open the Effects menu. Give the voice a 3D effect, for example. This has the voice everywhere, even behind you, if your PC has 4 speakers.
When it's time to go, we ride. Everybody say, yo, we slide. When it's time to go, we ride. Everybody say, yo, we slide.
How about a cool robot voice?
This is Music Maker 7 speaking. This is Music Maker 7 speaking.
A click on the Expert button reveals further options. Choose the time stretch mouse mode from the mouse tools and drag the robot voice where it fits the rhythm.
This is Music Maker 7 speaking. This is Music Maker 7 speaking.
All your song now lacks is a decent video clip. Activate the Audio Video FX visuals. This gives you lots of impressive clips to endow with a bit of life by adding your own music.
This is Music Maker 7 speaking. This is Music Maker 7 speaking.
There are a lot of audio and video effects under the Effects tab. Just drag and drop your choice onto your arrangement.
MAGIX Music Maker 7.
This is Music Maker 7 speaking. This is Music Maker 7 speaking.
If the preset effects aren't enough for you, use the video control to create your own effects. The BPM Finder helps you to combine your own CD or MP3 collection with loops from the MAGIX Music Maker. The Finder analyzes the tempo of entire songs, splits them up into loops, and then adjusts the tempo as desired. You can remix the modules of your song and combine them with MAGIX loops. If you have your own homepage on the internet, you can upload your own songs, videos and slideshows in any design variations you like onto your homepage. No complex web editing needed. Your very own rich media homepage is just a few mouse clicks away. Let's take a brief look at the deluxe version of the MAGIX Music Maker. It enables you to make your own audio CDs and video CD-ROMs. The deluxe version also offers you the new voice synthesizer, ideal for voice disguise. You can even drag the speech function waves to the voice synthesizer and have them sing to you.
Elevate your voice. Elevate your voice.
This is Music Maker 7 speaking.
This is Music Maker
7 speaking.
This is Music Maker
7 speaking.
This is Music Maker
7 speaking.
The new sampler includes an automatic melody creation function. You no longer have to be a pianist to have melodies in your songs. That completes our brief introduction to the new Music Maker. There's a great deal more to discover, and we're certain you'll thoroughly enjoy using it. MAGIX wishes you plenty of brainwaves and the best of sounds.